Kling AI just dropped their O1 model, and this is genuinely wild. We're not talking about another incremental update here. This is the world's first unified multimodal video model that's completely changing how we create and edit AI videos. While everyone's been focused on Runway and OpenAI's Sora, Kling just leapfrogged the entire competition with something that sounds almost too good to be true. Let me show you why this matters. Here's what makes O1 absolutely revolutionary. Every other AI video tool makes you choose your workflow up front. Want to generate from scratch? That's one mode. Need to edit existing footage? Switch tools. Want to add objects or change styles? That's a completely different process. It's clunky, and it kills your creative flow. Kling O1 throws that fragmented approach out the window. This is one unified model that handles generation, editing, and understanding simultaneously. Think of it as having an all-in-one video production suite, where everything just works together seamlessly. The real magic is in how it understands your inputs. Text prompts, images, video clips, reference photos. Everything you feed it becomes a prompt. You can literally upload 7 different types of media at once, and the model intelligently interprets all of it together. This creates this incredibly intuitive workflow where you're basically having a conversation with the AI about what you want to create. Let me break down the 3 core workflows because this is where things get insane. First is text-to-video generation, but with a twist. O1 uses something called chain-of-thought reasoning. Instead of just pattern matching like older models, it actually deduces events and understands the logic behind your request. This means significantly better motion accuracy, consistent subjects across frames, and camera movements that actually follow your instructions. You're getting intelligent video generation that understands real-world physics. Second workflow is image-to-video with frame control. You provide start and end frame images, and the AI fills in all the motion between them while maintaining perfect visual consistency. This is massive for filmmakers who need specific shots or want to pre-visualize camera movements. It's like storyboarding, but the AI does all the heavy lifting. Now the third workflow is where my mind was completely blown. Multi-elements mode. This is video-to-video editing through simple text prompts. You can upload existing footage and modify it just by typing what you want changed. No masking, no keyframing, no VFX expertise required. Want to remove bystanders from a shot? Type remove bystanders. Need to change bright noon to moody dusk? Type change daytime to dusk. Want to swap the main character's entire outfit? Just ask for it. The model understands visual context and executes these edits automatically across all frames. And here's the kicker. You can stack multiple tasks in one prompt. You can literally say, add a subject while modifying the background and change the style to cyberpunk all at once. The creative possibilities are genuinely endless. Let me get specific about multi-elements editing because this feature alone is worth the price of admission. You get 4 main operations: swap, add, delete, and restyle. With swap, you can replace any element in your video. Turn a cat into a wolf. Change outfits. Replace boring backgrounds. The model maintains motion consistency across all frames. Add lets you insert new elements naturally. Flames, helmets, atmospheric fog, volumetric lighting. The AI understands spatial relationships and lighting to make additions look completely natural. Delete removes unwanted objects instantly. Boom mics. Competitor logos, distracting background elements. Gone in seconds. And Restyle transforms your entire aesthetic while maintaining original motion and composition. Go from realistic to animated, modern to cyberpunk, day to night, all in post-production without reshooting anything. The performance benchmarks are pretty staggering. Kling ran internal blind tests with professionals, and O1 achieved a 247% performance win ratio compared to Google Veo for image reference video generation. For instruction transformation, which is editing videos based on text prompts, O1 hit 230% compared to Runway Aleph. Now these are internal tests, so take them with a grain of salt until we see independent verification, but those margins are significant enough to pay attention. So who's this actually for? Content creators can fix wardrobe issues, add visual effects, and experiment with different aesthetics without reshooting. Marketing teams can update product colors in existing footage, remove competitor logos, and add seasonal elements to evergreen content. Filmmakers can pre-visualize camera moves, block scenes, and ensure continuity across shots. Fashion brands can try different colors, outfits, and textures through simple prompts. Post-production teams can remove unwanted objects, add atmospheric effects, and experiment with visual styles all in post. The timing of this release is fascinating. Almost simultaneously, Runway unveiled Gen 4.5, claiming it's their most powerful model yet. Google has Veo. OpenAI is working on Sora, and Midjourney announced they're entering video. The competition is absolutely fierce right now. But what sets Kling O1 apart is this unified approach. Most competitors still make you switch between different tools for generation versus editing. Having everything in one coherent system is a genuine competitive advantage. Kling O1 is available right now through their web interface. It's also integrated into Artlist AI Generator, available as an API on FAL, and part of WaveSpeed AI's ecosystem. The barrier to entry for sophisticated video effects and editing is dropping faster than anyone predicted. We're witnessing a fundamental shift from AI makes weird trippy videos to AI as a practical tool in professional workflows. This is the direction the entire industry is heading. Text-based editing of video content is becoming as natural as editing a Google Doc. The implications for content creation, filmmaking, advertising, and visual effects are massive. We're entering an era where the only limit on video content is your imagination, not your technical skills or production budget. Kling O1 isn't just another AI video tool. It's a glimpse into how we'll be creating all video content in the very near future. The future of video production just arrived, and it's more accessible than ever. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.